Example problem 15 says, how many grams are in 1.52 times 10 to the 8th particles of cobalt? So we're told that we have 1.52 times 10 to the minus 8th atoms or particles of cobalt. Because it's a single element, we can use the word atoms. We're asked for grams. And so to go from atoms to grams is a two-step conversion, and we need to go to moles as an intermediate. So atoms of cobalt goes to the bottom, moles of cobalt goes to the top, and then the second step is that moles of cobalt goes to the bottom, and then grams of cobalt goes to the top. So you can see where atoms cancel, moles cancel, and you're left in grams. And so in 1 mole, there are always 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. And for the next part, you need a periodic table of elements. So in 1 mole of cobalt, cobalt is element number 27. There are 58.93 grams of cobalt per mole. So in our calculators, we are ready to type 1.52 times 10 to the minus 8th divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd times 58.93, and that gives us 1.487, so 1.49 times 10 to the minus 30 grams of cobalt. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 15.